Melsiha, welcome back to samaartmedia. I hope that all are doing good. Today I am planning to paint greenish forest. Every year, June 5, we are celebrating World Environmental Day. This day is encourage awareness and environmental protection. The earth is our only home created by God with full of green without pollution for peace, love and be healthy for us. It's our responsibility to maintain it for upcoming generations. I am choosing a plate to the paint. And because of this painting, I am choosing acrylic colors are cobalt blue, emerald green, lemon yellow, brown, titanium white, brilliant yellow green and sap green for the painting. I am using flat brush and picking some cobalt blue and titanium white for the sky effect. Next I am adding a little bit of yellow next. And this painting is showing in the morning effect, so I am giving these two colors for the sky effect. Next, picking some emerald green, I am using topping technique to the tree effect. After finishing that, brown and titanium white acrylic colors are making the stem for the trees. I am using round brush size 6 and picking some brown to make the outline of the stem. I am making more stems for the trees because this is the greenish forest. Next some brown and titanium white mix well together for the color mixing. This is the realistic look. I am adding this to the stems. Next I am making small stones around the trees. Because of that I am picking some brown and using round brush size 2 for making base of the stone effect. Next, for the highlight of the stone, adding brown and titanium white mix well together to make the highlight of the stones. I am using flat brush and using emerald green and sap green for the land effects, cobalt blue and titanium white for the river effect. Next, I am using fan brush to the highlight of the trees facing to the sun reflection. First shorthand fan brush and picking sap green and emerald green to make the leaves of the branches. Next, long hand fan brush and picking some brilliant yellow green and to make the highlight of the leaves and grass too. The beautiful greenish forest painting is ready. Today is World Environmental Day. We all have the responsibility to save the earth. Bring out your hidden treasure of imaginations in you as painting. Use your imaginations. Achieve the picture what you want. I meet you in my next painting. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.